Alrighty, one drawer slide in. That's the first one. Nice and level. Comes out the full width of the drawer. So that ought to be pretty nice. And then it just goes back in. And then I put a magnetic catch on the front of the door. I'm good to go. If any of you haven't used them, Greenlee makes a couple of nice hand screwdrivers and Phillips. This one's really cool because you push a button, goes up, put your screw in, come down, makes it real easy to start screws. Greenlee is what I used to use when I was doing a lot of electrical. Their tools are pretty good. So you might want to check them out if that's something you need. They have them both for Phillips, different sizes, and for regular screwdrivers, flat bladed.